Ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìnlá kan tó jẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó ti pa ọ̀gá rẹ̀ tí ọ̀gá rẹ̀ jẹ́ lecturer University of Technology Minna. Báwo ni ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀? Orúkọ ọmọ tí ó hùwà ṣẹ́ láabi orúkọ rẹ̀ ní Joy Afẹ́káfẹ́. Ó jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìnlá, ìyẹn 14 years old. Ó pa ọ̀gá rẹ̀ tí ó jẹ́ lecturer ní Federal University of Technology Minna tí orúkọ ọ̀gá rẹ̀ bìnrin yẹn ṣe Dr. Fúnmiláyọ̀ Adéfọlálù. Òun ni ọmọ yìí dẹ́mi ẹ̀ légbodò léè tó jẹ́ wípé ó lọ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ méjì kan ni wọ́n jọ lọ ṣe iṣẹ́ láabi yìí. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ wo fídíò yìí kí ẹ bá mi share rẹ̀. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ò tí subscribe sí YouTube channel wa, ẹ lọ subscribe kí ẹ tẹ notification bell. Ẹ wo fídíò yẹn kí ẹ share rẹ̀ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan fi lè fi eléyìí ṣe àríkọ́gbọ́n.
Lalu, a biochemistry lecturer at the Federal University of Technology Minna, was murdered in her residence by 3 teenagers. The Boso Division of the Police Force has arrested the principal suspect, 14-year-old Joy Afekafe, a former house help of the late professor. She confessed to arranging 2 of her classmates, whom she identified as Walex and Smart, to come and beat up the lecturer for laying her off.
So how long did you stay with her?
2 to 3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
So during that time, what happened?
What happened between you and the madam?
Between you and her? Why did she send you off?
That was because I was stealing her money.
Okay. So on that fateful day, what happened?
Me and some other guys went to her house, and our intention was to beat her and deal with her. But one of them that was called Walex was with knife. So he was one that stabbed her with the knife.
So you are saying the stabbing was a mistake? It was not your intention?
Okay, so on getting there, what transpired?
It transpired to Walex stabbing her.
What did you tell her first on entering the house?
I just told her that I just came to see her.
Okay. Then from there, what happened?
Then we started talking before one of her maid came and did some things. Then went out back. So it was from there Walex and Smart came inside the house.
So what did Smart and Walex say before stabbing her? What was their reason of stabbing her?
They said that they told me that if they don't stab her, that she's going to report us and they're going to take her. That was the reason why Walex stabbed her.
Actually, they went to the house on Saturday evening. That was on 28th October around 4 p.m. And they moved to the house with a knife. And at the end of the day, they attacked the deceased, stabbed her to death, and with another knife that was picked from the kitchen.
Items found on the scene of the incident and paraded by the police included a towel stained with blood, 2 knives, and a side stool the suspect said was used in hitting the head of the deceased. Chenemi Bami, TVC News, Minna.
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá agbègbè Boso àwọn ni ọwọ́ wọn bá Joy tí ó hu ìwà iṣẹ́ láabi yìí. Ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìnlá tí ó jẹ́ ọmọ SS3. Òun ni òun àti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ méjì kan, Walex àti Smart, òun ni wọ́n jọ lọ sí ilé lecturer tí ọmọbìnrin yìí ti bá ṣiṣẹ́ lé tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n dá ẹ̀mí lecturer tó jẹ́ olùkọ́ àgbà fún University Minna. Wọ́n dá ẹ̀mí arábìnrin náà légbodò látàrí wípé arábìnrin yìí ó lé ọmọbìnrin yìí kúrò látàrí pé ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ò mọ́. Ọjọ́ tí wọ́n lọ tí wọ́n dá ẹ̀mí olùkọ́ àgbà fún University Minna yìí ní ègbodò, ó lọ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ méjì kan ní lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n pa arábìnrin yìí tán. Wọ́n kó àwọn ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀, láptọ̀pù, báyìí ni wọ́n tún ṣe yọ bátìrì ọkọ̀ tí arábìnrin náà páàkì sínú ọgbà rẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube channel wa tí ẹ bá fẹ́ máa rí oríṣiríṣi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àti èyí tí ó sì máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ẹ fi lè máa ṣe àríkọ́gbọ́n. Kí ni èròǹgbà yín lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ lọ sí under comment section kí ẹ sọ èròǹgbà yín lórí ìwà ibi tí ọmọbìnrin yìí wù àti wípé tí ẹ bá fẹ́ máa rí oríṣiríṣi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ lọ subscribe sí YouTube channel wa kí ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ notification bell so that bí a bá ṣe ń jù sórí afẹ́fẹ́ òun ni ẹ ò máa rí. Ẹ like, share, kẹ́ tẹ̀lé mi fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀.